Hey, good day everybody. So the motors got here today. There they are. Really happy about that. I'm gonna install the motors on the drone today. Unfortunately, the new controller is not here yet, the flight controller. So it's just the motors going on today. So here is the little landing feet. And here is the motors. I can get them out. Okay. So here is motor one. And I decided to go with the, excuse me, 2306 1700 kilovolt 6S, mostly for the fact that they're kind of, I guess, I don't know if I'm saying this right or not slower motor, or possibly a not quite as racy motor as some of them. So I thought this would be a great motor to start to learn to fly on. And that was the majority of the thinking behind why I got these particular motors. And here's all the screws. And if those are too short, I have some screws, over here. So let's see now. I guess what I need is a screwdriver. And the screws have Loctite on them already. Blue junk right there. And here it comes. I guess while I've got that, I can turn the access TPU. Now what I gotta say is, the print job is not the greatest on these, but I mean, I take my time. They have an entire company to run. Let's see how far this screw actually goes through there. Probably not enough. No, definitely not enough. Let's see how far it goes through this hole. Might be far enough on this one. Let's see now. Oh yeah, definitely far enough with that. Okay, now it should work better for this operation. Okay, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh, except I've got the motor in wrong. But I did find the appropriate hardware, which is good. Very, very good. And I'll probably reprint the feet anyway. Because I think I can do a better job on my own. And I guess I should put this on so it doesn't get lost. Well, these little plastic things came in very, very handy. Can't even see them. There it is. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, next one. I can't wait to get these hooked up and working. Okay, that's two. I like the clean look. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not, but looks good. Okay. Yes. No, my last stuff, I just had a whole sub. I can't wait to try to fly these things at some point after a lot of practice. A lot of VR practice on drones. Yeah, well, there it is. It looks really cool. I hope I can get it to work. Yeah, there's lots more parts. I want to print I don't know if it's here or not. It's around here somewhere. Yeah, here. I want to print a part that's going to hold the capacitor and the battery beaker. A something like that that'll hold all this together. Yeah, something like this. I will have to design it all out in CAD. Potentially once I have the capacitor, or maybe not even. Anyways, it's gonna hold these two things and get screwed in, but with 4 bolts, possibly back here or up front here. I'm not sure yet, but I think that would be a good place for it, right behind the camera. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's piece by piece coming together. This will probably be the next part. Up front here somewhere by the camera, which I have yet to install. Mm, there it is. The run cam and the transmitter module. Right here. And I got the waterproof run cam because I didn't want an open one, so I paid a little bit more, and that's it right there. And I do not know much about this at all, so I don't know. You can watch me stumble through building a drone. And this is the transmitter module that I don't have an antenna for yet that's coming in the mail. And that may sit back here on top of the transmitter, which I will probably be printing a TPU piece for. So I can fit the transmitter and that all back here and allow for the power wire to come through here or something like that, because the capacitor and the buzzer are going to sit up at the front here. So yeah, that's the two pieces that I still have to fit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Maybe on the next one I will be fitting the run cam. Well, have a great day. And there it is. The bee is slowly coming together. And this is going to look really great up here. Except I think it'll be as far back as I can put it. So probably right about here. Right about there. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I guess the camera will probably be next. Night. Bye.